So if you're watching this video, the chances are you want to learn how it is that you can start to make money online for free and you live in the United Kingdom. I'm going to show you guys that you can do it with this system I'm about to show you guys. Now, just really quick, I want to show you guys some proof that money can be made within this system, and then we're going to get into a little bit more of exactly what it is. So this is a screen grab from the Facebook group members. How much profit did you make in October? Let's quickly go through and let me show you guys the amount of money that was actually generated. So this person here, they made £200. This person, £405, £525, £650, £78.40. If we go up here, this person made £650, £78.40. 150, 1,000, 581, 600, 220, 2,000, 1,300, £50, nearly £1,000. This person 388. This person 450. This person 176. This person 450. This person 300. So these are screenshots from inside the actual Facebook group of the system that it is that I'm going to share with you. So you can rest and just know that what I'm about to show you, you can make money. And the beautiful thing about the system I'm going to show you is this: you are mathematically guaranteed to make money as long as you follow all the steps. Okay, so let me get into it, and I'm going to show you guys how it is that you can start to make money online for free if you live in the United Kingdom. Now, the system that it is that you can do this through is a system called outplayed.com. Look, if you guys want to try out outplayed.com, you can see this button here. It says start your free trial. You can click the link in the bio, in the description below this video, or you can go down there and you can scan the QR code if you're watching it on TV or on another device. And what you guys can do is you guys can start a free trial and start to generate money. Okay, and I'm going to show you a video just shortly, and it's going to show you that you can make up to £1,000 within the free trial that you can then reinvest, and then you can then obviously buy a membership for this if you want to. Now, like I said, the system is called outplayed.com. Now, usually what I used to do is I would come into the system, I'd log in here at the top, I'd start to show you around all of the back office, and it just used to confuse people. So I thought, best way for you to learn and understand exactly what outplayed.com is and how it works is I'll let the founder, Sam Stoffel himself, tell you exactly the way that it works. So let's watch this, and then after that, we'll come back.
Okay, so you want to know how you can use matched betting to make money just like all of these people. There's no luck, there's no chance, and as long as you do it correctly, you cannot lose money. Bookmakers give out free bets to try and attract new customers and to keep their existing ones gambling with them. And for them, this is a tiny cost that they're happy to pay because it allows them to get and keep customers that make them hundreds of millions of pounds of profit every year from all the gambling. But if you're smart, you can take advantage of those free bets, lock in a guaranteed profit for yourself, and then ride off into the sunset. You start by finding a bookmaker that's offering a free bet, and there are literally dozens to choose from. For example, bet 5, get 20. So you sign up with them and you place a £5 bet, let's say on Chelsea to beat Man City. You then go to a different betting website and you place a bet against Chelsea, and that particular bet would also cover the draw. So you've got one bet on them and one bet against them. And those two bets cancel each other out, so no matter what happens, you'll break even. But what we've done here is we've qualified for the free bet. So we take our £20 and we do the same thing again. We bet on Chelsea and then we bet against them somewhere else. And if you stake just the right amount on each side, you're guaranteed a profit no matter what happens. We don't care who wins, we don't care if it's a draw, because we cover all possible outcomes. And you can do this again and again with more than 50 different bookmakers and make close to £1,000 in guaranteed profit. We tell you which bookmakers to open accounts with, we tell you what bets to place and how to place them, and as long as you follow our instructions, you are mathematically guaranteed to make money. And after you've done the sign-up offers, there are hundreds, literally hundreds, of reload offers, which are basically free bets for your existing bookie accounts. So you don't need to keep opening more and more bookie accounts. You can do this even if you've already got loads of betting accounts. We never care who wins. We care about mathematically guaranteed profits. And that is what you're going to find inside our members area. Now, I hope I'll see you inside, but if you need any more convincing, give us a call Live chat us or join one of our public Facebook groups and chat to other real people to hear it directly from them. Thank you for watching.
So it really is simple and that's straightforward. Guys, look, over 150,000 successful members have learned how to make easy profits with match betting. And it really is that simple. All you have to do is click start free trial. All you got to do, link in the description below the video. Or like I said, you can scan down there and the QR code and you can come to this page and click start your free trial and you can literally get started. Okay. But look, you're probably thinking to yourself, I see these sort of things before. Make money online, these scams, these pyramid schemes, are people promising profits, etc., etc. Guys, look, a system that is based purely on making people money, look at the reviews and the credibility it has online. 4.5 star rating on Trustpilot based off of 2,654 total reviews. 89% of those reviews have been 5-star. This is what it is that we're working with here. If you guys want to see this page, like I said, you can scan the QR code down there. Scan the QR code down there or click the link in the description below the video and you'll see it right underneath here. And you can click that and it'll take you to Trustpilot's reviews. But you can see loads of reviews. Of course, there's going to be some 1 stars and maybe 2 or 3 stars, but predominantly, guys, they're green stars simply because it's a guaranteed system, stood the test of time. And guys, look, I started making money online with this system itself. I now make a full-time income off the internet. I don't use this system anymore, but this is the beauty of the system. You can trust it. It's reliable because plenty of people use it, and I have utilized it myself when I first got started as well. But let's take a look at some real stories and how people have been taking the profits that they made from outplayed.com and then reinvesting them and putting them into the things that they wanted to do. So you can see Marie here, Outplayed. She used her money to get a 2-week all-inclusive holiday to Mexico, 100% paid for by the bookies. That's amazing. You can see this family, Mark, they bought a little puppy with their profits. This person has just hit £11,500 milestone and they made their first purchase, which was a runaround for his wife. He's definitely in the good books. This person, over 7 months of being involved in this game, and I'm over £6,500 up in 7 months. Phenomenal. This person, match betting, funded their trip to Egypt. This person, it funded their trip to Greece for 11 nights for him or her, their partner, and their daughter as well. All inclusive, including spend 2,700. This person paid for their wedding. This person for a holiday. This person helped them to become debt free. This person, you can see here, it helped them to be able to get their first property. So guys, this is real. This is, honestly, I think it's the best kept secret in the whole of the United Kingdom, because people are genuinely making a lot of money just leveraging this system. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the support. Okay, so once again, like I said, go down here, scan the QR code if you're on the TV or something like that. But if you're on your phone, laptop, iPad, click the link in the description below this video and get yourself started on a free trial, because then you also get access to this level of support. So you've got a help center that you can click. I'll show you that shortly. Live chat, you can have a chat with them live between 9 AM and 5:15. You can email them or you can even message them on Facebook. These are the different outlets of support that it is that they have to be able to help you on your journey to ensure that you can make profits and have the help. They also have Facebook groups as well, like you heard Sam speak about within the video. You can leverage these Facebook groups to be able to learn and make sure that you're learning things and understanding things the right way. Lastly, here's the help center. You can ask any questions, your queries. You can type them in this box here and you can see a number of different articles, but you can also scroll down and you can see some preempted questions as well. So guys, look, this is the best way to make money for free if you live in the United Kingdom. Okay, now it's not going to be free forever, but the strategy: start the free trial, start making money with the profits for free, take the profits that you earn from the bookies and then reinvest it into the monthly membership. And that's going to allow you to then make hundreds, if not thousands of pounds each and every single month just by leveraging outplay.com system. All right, guys, click the link in the description below this video or go down here and scan the QR code and you guys can get started with outplayer.com and start making money free initially. All right, guys, hope this video helps and I'll see you guys in the next one.